Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of passive income. Specifically, I'll share 3 simple ways to earn money while you sleep. Let's get started. Number 1. Invest in dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. It's like getting paid cash for owning a piece of the company. Number 2. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a certain area, share your knowledge with the others. Platforms like Udemy make it easy to create and sell your own courses. Number 3. Rent out a property. If you own a spare room or house, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb. This can provide a steady stream of passive income. So there you have it, 3 simple ways to start building passive income. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort, dedication and the right strategy. You can achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.